Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen PH online shop. Meron tayong mga power bracelets for protection, prosperity, at marami pang iba. And then, meron din tayong mga zodiac sign bracelets na nag-a-align ng energies for each zodiac signs. And then, we also have intention oils na merong tatlong sizes. Meron tayong 5 ml, and then merong 15 ml dropper, and then 30 ml dropper, intention oil. And then we also have a spell jar for protection and prosperity. And then the latest addition sa ating mga products ay ang cleansing and protection spray. So available siya in 50 ml and 100 ml bottle. Ayan, so available yan lahat sa ating Shopee, link on the description. Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 16 to 22, 2023. So, general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your sun, moon, rising, Venus for other messages. And just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan. So, this is your bracelet, Scorpio bracelet. Meron tong citrine, smoky quartz, and black obsidian. So, available to sa ating Shopee, link on the description. Ayan. So, let's see, Scorpio. Ano yung energy ninyo for this week? King of Cups. So, this is a water sign energy. So, this is your energy. You have so much love to give. No? This is about compassion, taking care of the people you love. Okay. Warm-hearted, charismatic. Iba sa inyo, deeply in love with someone. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Scorpio? You have the Six of Pentacles. Possible ang challenge ninyo, finances, no? Merong imbalance pagdating sa finances ninyo. Pwedeng mas napaparami yung gastos kesa sa kinikita ninyo. So, kailangan i-manage nyo yung inyong kaperahan. Okay? Pwedeng ano rin, merong hihingi ng tulong financially sa inyo. Can be family member. So, let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Scorpio? You have the World card. So, as an opportunity, it seems that meron kang mga achievement, no? Meron kang kailangang tapusin na. Or alam mo yung tipong meron kang project na kailangan mo nang i-close. Kailangan mo nang tapusin para makita mo na yung resulta nun. Oo. And this is about achieving something, completing something. This is also reward, no? So, kung ano man yung mga ginawa mo in the past, especially sa career mo, you're going to be rewarded. Makikita mo na yung bunga ng iyong pinagpaguran. So, there's some sense of completion. Yung iba naman, pwedeng meron kayong opportunity to travel abroad, or to be with someone na mahal mo, no? Na, lalo kung kayo long distance relationship. Okay, let's see your blessing. The blessing is the Four of Swords. This is taking a rest, having a break. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo talaga may travel opportunities para makapagbakasyon kayo, makasama nyo yung mga mahal nyo sa buhay. This is also healing, no? Kung nagkaroon kayo ng challenging situation with someone, nagkaroon ng issue, problema sa relationship. So, some of you are healing. Part of the healing process is yung pagta-travel. Siguro you want to give more time and space para sa sarili mo, para maayos mo yung mga yung mga nangyari in the past. This is about resting and recovery. Okay? Let's clarify. What is the King of Cups? The Hermit. Yung iba sa inyo gusto nyong mag-isa. Gusto nyo ng katahimikan muna ng isip. I also see someone na for the longest time, wala siyang relationship. But now, nag-open up siya. Nag-open up na with someone. You're doing some inner work. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, merong naging issue with a relationship in the past na ngayon, you're really trying to recover from that. I'm seeing a lot of healing energies para sa inyo. So, parang meron na kayong kailangang i-close na chapter sa inyong life para may magsimulang bago. Moving on, moving forward. Ten of Pentacles, yes. So, financially, as a challenge, pwedeng ikaw yung merong financial issues or struggle, may imbalance sa pera, or pwedeng family member. Family member mo na pati ikaw, apektado. Pwedeng extended family, no? Parents mo, kapatid mo, kamag-anak ng asawa mo. But, this is somehow, makaka-apekto rin sa'yo kasi syempre, pwedeng hingi ng tulong sa'yo financially. Okay, what is the world card? The Star. Wow. As an opportunity, meron kang matutupad na pangarap. This can be to work abroad or to work sa ibang bansa na pinapangarap mong magtrabaho ka dun. The Star is also about inspiration and infinite energy. Yung iba na ayaw mag-abroad or natatakot, maaring ngayon, meron ka ng lakas ng loob, na mas magkakaroon ka na ng lakas ng loob na ipagpatuloy yung nasimulan mo, yung pangarap mo, natuparin yun, no? Lalo na kung ito'y kailangang medyo mawalay sa iyong family, no? Yeah, pwede kasing yung family members mo or someone from the family nangangailangan ng financial assistance long term. So ngayon, you really need to support them and kailangan mo ng mas malaking opportunity for you. And maaring ito yung nakikita mo sa abroad. So, let's see. What is the Four of Swords? Eight of Wands. There's good news. Travel opportunities talaga to. Ang daming energy ng pag-travel. Good news sa travel. So, kung kayo naghihintay ng email or visa or kung ano pang related sa mga ina-applyan ninyo abroad, may good news. So, let's see your final message. Sight. Detach your emotions from situations that you cannot control. O, ayun na. Kailangan daw, huwag ka masyadong magpa-apekto emotionally, although mahirap yun, lalo na kung mahal sa buhay natin yung naaapektuhan. But, mas maganda na mas mag-focus ka doon sa goal mo, no? Yeah, anything that you cannot control. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.